What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jessy here. Just want to make a quick video to show you guys how I'm going to take some foam insulation panels that I got off of Amazon and how I'm going to secure those on my ceiling to help improve the overall audio for my videos. Let's check it out. So I got these foam insulation panels off of Amazon. I think there were 6 for 15 bucks or so. They're 2 inches thick, come in a few different color variations. I picked the black and blue combinations. My room that I'm recording in is actually a carpeted room, so that helps muffle some of the audio, but I do get a lot of echo in the videos that I'm shooting in right now because of this room, and I'm thinking it's primarily because of the ceiling, and I'm pretty close. I can almost touch the ceiling if I reach up. So what I want to do is take some of these foam insulation panels that I purchased and show you guys how I'm going to secure them to the finished ceiling in here without hopefully ruining the ceiling if I need to ever take them down and move locations or anything like that, and hopefully not make my wife really mad. So let's find out how I'm going to do that. All right, so here's everything that I'm going to use for this project. I have some 3M adhesive spray that I've used from other projects. I picked up some of these command strips. These are the ones for picture hanging. They actually have Velcro backing, which is going to go great. So the plan is I took some of the cardboard that came from the cardboard box that the panels came in, cut them up into smaller squares than the actual boxes. What I'm going to do is spray the cardboard with the adhesive, stick it on the back, and then use one of these Velcro strips, or maybe 2 of the Velcro strips on the cardboard, and then secure it to the ceiling. That way, I should, in theory, be able to remove the foam panel if I need to with the cardboard backing, or reposition it, and then also be able to take these command strips off of the ceiling if I ever need to move locations, or for whatever reason we're just moving out of this space. It'll end up not hopefully damaging the ceiling and make my wife oh so happy. Alright, now hopefully this sounds a lot better than it did before. I won't be able to tell until I go in to actually start editing it, but the process of gluing and sticking these up on the ceiling probably took all of 20 minutes to do. Super easy installation process, and I actually ended up with a few extra panels, so I stuck some on the side wall here to the left of me. Unfortunately, I have 2 doors, a closet here that I actively utilize, and I'm not going to stick the panels on that door, as well as I have a big blank wall over here on the right that I'm actually looking to put some framed posters on, but maybe, all depending on how this turns out, I might end up putting more foam insulation panels over on the right hand side. But overall, I like how this looks. I think the design of it is really cool. The colors look great. The black isn't exactly black. It's probably more of a dark gray than anything, but it looks really good in this space since I've ordered all of the same, I guess, brand or type from the same company, so they all look uniform, which is great. The blue is a nice color blue. It's not really dull or anything like that. I think it looks like a nice bright blue to me. But yeah, I'll have links down below if anybody is interested in picking up any audio installation acoustic panels for their recording space. Hopefully this works well for me. They also sell some of these corner foam pieces that I might pick up as well for the corner of the walls and the ceiling, which could be pretty interesting to test out how that also helps cut down on the noise, echo, all that reverb or whatever it is. I'm not a big audiophile engineer. I just sort of wing it when editing these things for you guys. Surprise, surprise. I just want to say thank you to everybody out there that bought me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com. That helped fund this actual project here. So if you're interested in buying me a coffee, I've got another project down below on the link where you can pick me up a coffee and it'll go towards the next project build that I'm working on here. So I wanted to say thanks again for watching, you guys. Make sure if you haven't already to like and subscribe, and if it's the first time watching the video, I don't normally do things like this. It's more like building cosplay stuff or 3D printing or some other tech related stuff, but I figured I'd just share this with you guys and say a huge thank you out there to everybody that bought me a coffee to help fund this particular project. So hopefully the audio sounds better. I'm always looking for ways to improve the videos for you guys, and I will hopefully be talking with you guys soon and showing you off some new projects that I have been busy working on. So thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. I'll let you guys in on a little secret. This whole second half of this video, I recorded the whole thing, then went in to edit it, and I was like, wait a minute, the audio is worse than before. How is that possible? Yeah, the dummy over here forgot to plug in the microphone, and it was recording off of the camera mic, built-in mic. I can't tell you how many times that actually happens during a recording.